How to kill fire ants 101 and done. Before we begin, crush the like and subscribe buttons so you'll know what to do during the next pandemic or an epidemic. After watching this video, you'll know without a doubt how to approach fire ants, what you should know, what to look for, what will kill them almost instantly and non-toxically, and more. Next to a few kinds of spiders and snakes, fire ants are a serious threat to people, pets, buildings and water sources. Out of all the information available as to what kills fire ants, only one way has been found, which is quick, non-toxic, and 100% effective. But before we get into that, we need to know the symptoms of fire ant stings. Their venom causes some receptive individuals burning, blisters, and pain. When it enters their muscle tissue, the ability to use the muscles may become limited or useless for 6 or more months. Sometimes, fire ant venom will cause bad responses, such as nausea, profuse sweating, breath loss, slurring speech, swelling of the mouth, tongue and throat, trouble swallowing, lightheadedness, unconsciousness, chest tightness and cardiac arrest. Inexperienced or unqualified individuals should never attempt to administer treatment unless there is no other option. Fire ants generally make mounds with dirt and may incorporate debris like pine needles, sand, and leaves. Mounds typically contain holes which are passageways in and out. At ground level, they are likely to have an entry-exit point on one side and another directly across from it. You may see ants heading away from and toward the mounds on both ground trails. When the surface of a mound looks like it is moving, the ants are interacting with one another while working. You might also notice activity surrounding the nest. Trails are the main paths of fire ants. Oftentimes, when 2 or more nests are in an area, you are likely to see the main paths branching off and heading to the other nests. To approach a fire ant mound, do the following. Wear slick-legged hip waders or loose jeans and boots. Always seal bottom seam to shoe to stop ants from gaining access. Carry a spray bottle full of solution to spray waders or jeans should ants climb aboard. Look for ants on the ground and brush before each step. Look at tree limbs, stumps, rocks, grass and brush. Avoid stepping in the ants' paths. Until treating a mound, stay 1 to 3 feet away from paths. Beginners should not treat mounds around trees until they have treated at least 5 mounds in open areas. Fire ant killing solution. To 3/4 gallon lukewarm or warm water, add 4 cups blue-colored Foca laundry detergent. Gently rotate jug until powder is dissolved. A little bit may not dissolve and will settle. Finish filling jug while squeezing out some of the suds to make room for the water. Cap and place in a wheelbarrow for transport to mound. When close to a mound, spray the ground around and under your feet. When ready to destroy the nest, begin by slowly and steadily saturating the earth surrounding the nest until you have completely gone around the entire mound with solution. Next, start applying solution in strip-like sections while again going around the entire nest. Continue applying solution in sections until you reach the top. Whereas, the solution should be poured or thrust over the uncovered area. Remember, slow and steady so that sufficient solution will be able to drain down into the nest. The next day, check the nest by inserting a long stick or rod in one of the sunken holes at the top near center and pushing the debris outward from the hole. Pour a gallon or 2 of solution into the newly widened hole. If ants are seen anywhere on or around the nest, a second drenching should be done. Take your time, glance at your feet and legs frequently. Always aim for thorough and complete saturation the first time. Never open nest before initial application or when ants are detected upon checking.